Hi Afropolitans, welcome to my channel. My name is Beverly. I'm the founder of the Afropolitan Shop, and this is a space where I will share with you Black entrepreneurs and founders that are making really interesting things on the internet and that are available for purchase online. So without further ado, let's introduce our newest designer, K-Apostrophe. Check out this amazing home decor brand that I found called K-Apostrophe. Love, love, love the colors and textures and abstract prints that are used in this brand. Just really beautiful, lush designs. A little bit more about the artist. Her name is Kira, and she is based in Los Angeles. She primarily does mixed media. She has a penchant, it says, for works on paper and long-term love affair with textile traditions from around the world. So she usually collaborates with a few remaining American mills, which I thought was pretty cool, that she's kind of connecting with that tradition that's probably maybe of dying or lost art. So it's really cool that she's a designer that does that. So she works with she works to create colorful woven throw blankets and pillows and tapestries made of 100% hand-dyed cotton. So that's really cool. She graduated from the School of the Art Institute of Chicago with a BFA in textile design. Some of her past collaborators include brands such as Hers, Revival Rugs, Saatchi Art, and West Elm, to name a few. So pretty cool brand collabs over there. So this is Kira, the designer. Another thing that I like is her artist statement. She says she is guided by intuition. Each piece is a non-linear story made of fragments from the world around me, pulled from pieces of things that existed in other forms, manipulated and resembled into a new narrative. I love that. The use of color, gestural marks, and wrinkles of the paper are a direct representation of our day-to-day lives, which rarely lack texture or marks, rough spots, and bright spots. So I thought that was a really good, clear statement of her vision for her work and also the pieces that she makes. So let's dive into some of the pieces. So we started off looking at the throw pillows. Love, love, love these. I just think they're so beautiful. Interesting that I see some African influence in them, but they're also abstract enough to be new and kind of a fresh vision. So these are the throw pillows. She also has throw blankets. You really see some of the abstractness coming through and kind of the fusion that she talks about, and in her artist statements coming through here as well. This would be lovely on a wall, behind a couch. Really, really great. She also has print pieces. So if you're in the market for a piece of wall art, I'd encourage you to consider one of her beautiful pieces here. She has them staged really nicely in different settings, in the living room, in the dining room. Just really cool conversational starters in terms of artwork that she has here. So if you click into one of these pieces, we see that it's fairly affordable, I think, for an artist, $250 for this art print. And again, you help support a local Black artist when you buy these pieces. So this is a really cool piece called Snake Mosaic. So we've looked at the throw pillows, throw blankets, and tapestries are next. So this is actually what you would put behind a table as pictured here, or a sofa, also as a piece of wall art, or just something to kind of create some interest in a room. So I really, really love these pieces. If you click into one, you see that they're, because of the hand woven, I imagine, extremely artisan process of creating these. They're $320, which I also think is still a fair price for one of these pieces. So this is called Rim of the World. And lastly, she talks about her production process, which I found really interesting that she lays this out. She talks about how, a blanket becomes a blanket. She talks about the weaving process that she goes through, and in the end, the final version, what it looks like. So love K-Apostrophe. Check out her Instagram, K_apostrophe here if you want to follow her. She's been featured in different magazines, and you can also just see a bit of her process and just hear from her as well. And just look at the visually stunning pieces. Like, this arrangement is just great. Happy to share with you more designer tidbits. Please feel free to share and follow her Instagram to support Black artists in the US.